Hi, today we are going to look at the discriminant for a quadratic equation y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c as it is written on the top. The discriminant is given by d is equal to b squared minus 4ac. This is very commonly known formula which everybody from grade 9 to grade 12 have to use this. Now I have given an example one where you have y is equal to 2x square minus 4x plus 2. When we use this particular formula d is equal to b square minus 4ac, we have to take the coefficients of x square, which is a, b is negative 4, c is 2. When you plug it in to the calculator, make sure that you put a parenthesis or a bracket because there is a negative 4. So when you put negative 4, put it in the brackets and then square it. So put it this way, which I have shown, you get 0 here. That means the discriminant here is 0. So what does this mean when the d is 0? When the d is 0, in the examinations, in the IB examinations, the questions could be asked in many different ways. For example, here, this quadratic expression when d is equal to 0 could mean that it has equal roots. That means both the roots are the same. It could mean they are repeated root. That means the root, it means the same actually repeated, but it's the same way. They ask you in a different way by asking you repeated roots. They could also say one solution. So the question could also have one solution. It could also mean one x-intercept. That means only one point where the curve touches the x-axis. It also could mean that the vertex of this particular quadratic curve is, or the graph is on the x-axis. Now the last but the most important thing that could be asked in the IBHL is that the line to the curve is a tangent. This also can be asked because when you make an equation by equating a line and a quadratic curve, you finally get a quadratic expression, isn't it? And this quadratic expression, when you solve it for d, if you get that d is equal to 0, it means that this particular line which you have equated to the quadratic equation is indeed a tangent because the d is 0, it only touches one point. I hope you understood this. It's a very simple formula.